I'm Bethany, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a dreamcatcher. It's super simple, pretty calming, and it doesn't take a whole lot of materials. Just take your time and I'll show you step by step. Let's go. So for today's project, you're going to need a hoop, some string or ribbon, scissors, a variety of beads and charms, super glue or hot glue, and some feathers. Alright, so we're going to start by wrapping the hoop. Just take however much ribbon, or in this case I have some suede string right here. Just take however much you need and go ahead and cut it. So first you're going to add a dab of your super glue. Doesn't take a whole lot. You're going to put the end of your string or ribbon on there and then just start wrapping around. If you notice it starting to look too loose or too far apart, just kind of squeeze it all in, just push it over. And then just keep wrapping. Now every now and then you're going to want to stop and add a dot of glue again, just to keep it in place and make sure it doesn't come unwrapped. Now tie one end of the string onto the hoop with a knot. Now wrap the string over the top of the dreamcatcher and pull the end through the circle that you just made. Keep the string pulled tight with the two fingers on your other hand and keep looping the string over and under the hoop. Try to keep the spacing even all the way around. Okay, whenever you get to the end, some of them are going to be a little bit uneven. See how I started making them gradually wider? So you're just going to want to kind of straighten them out as much as you can. Just loosen up the last few a little bit. Kind of move them over. To do the second layer, you're going to do pretty much the same thing. You're going to want to loop this through there, pull it through that loop, and it's going to make a sort of knot just like that. Alright, now for this dreamcatcher, I'm not going to go all the way to the center because I want to leave this circle open for a charm. So you're at the very end, you're just going to tie a knot off, just like we did earlier whenever we ran out of thread. Just tie a knot. Super simple. Alright, next is decorating the bottom of your dream catcher. Tie on some string and beads and feathers however you like. And do the same thing with these other 2 pieces of string on either side. Now we're going to take the ends of these strings, and I'm going to add feathers and beads to each one. There we go, there's all the feathers. And here we have our finished dream catcher. And that's it, your very own dream catcher. I hope you had fun making it. Take your time with the details, enjoy the process, and make it yours. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you later.